Hey everyone, it's Saxy Summer for Me90, and today this is going to be a review of the Bissell SpotVot Advanced. In this first cleaning, the spot was a much smaller area, confined to about a 1 inch by 1 inch diameter circle, and as you'll see in the final result photo, the results came out awesome. The machine was able to tackle the spot, scrub it out, and remove it completely. So one thing I like to think about with this machine is that for centered small spots, it's great. If you look just below the advanced symbol and to the left, you'll notice that it is kind of moving around the dirt and the stain. However, it's not fully removing that dried on area. The one thing to take away from a small cleaning review such as this is that no matter what, you have to make sure the machine is right for you. Some people prefer manual scrubbing, some people prefer it to be done automatically for them, just like with this machine. I personally love this machine because I have both options. Having a small dog at home, as well as clumsiness, every little bit counts and every little bit helps. All in all, I recommend this machine. I have not had any problems with it. Like and subscribe to follow for more.